Walla Walla River and the Blue Mountain Range, which is just absolutely gorgeous here. I thought you might like to see what I'm talking about when I say gorgeous. And you'll come in closer so you can hear me. Now, this is not a native plant in any way, shape, or form. But it's really cool to find here. This is red clover. And you can see if he gets real close here, she's not quite bloomed all the way. And I thought about waiting until she bloomed all the way to do a video, but I think you're smart enough to imagine what she'll look like when she's bloomed all the way. Now her leaves look just like any other clover for the most part. She's got these little chevrons on her that are a good way to help ID. But she grows pretty much all across the United States. She is an invasive plant. She's a livestock food, so people plant her pretty often. But the reason we like red clover is because she's an amazing medicine. Let me just sit down here. We're having to use my phone because the camera battery died. I'm like, whatever. So red clover, if you pick these blooms, and now just to say her leaves are usable as well, and you dry her out to make like an infusion or a tea. First of all, she tastes amazing. She's really good tasting. And then if you add in some sweet cream, it's one of my favorites. She's pretty specific at helping women with hormonal issues, helping with fertility, helping with hot flashes during menopause, just like helping nourish our body and our womb areas like deeply. But she's also a natural blood thinner. So if you're somebody who has like really bad clots during your period, drinking red clover infusion or even making a tincture or making her into a salad and just getting her into your body in any whole way is going to really be amazing for you. She will really help those cramps lessen. I love red clover, and I was just so excited. We came around the bend here to cool off in the river, and I was like, oh, look, there's a little patch of red clover. So let me see the camera right quick, hun, and I will show them just a little closer what she looks like. So here she is, and you can imagine she'll look like that all the way opened up. And now I want you to understand that like the properties for red clover are not across the board for all other clovers. A lot of people think that they see scarlet clover, which is a different plant entirely, and they're like, oh, well that must be the same thing, right? It's not. And neither is white clover. So red clover is very specific. And now if you can't find her, there are plenty of herb places online where you can buy bulk red clover. And you can see she's got these pretty unique little chevron patterns on her leaves. And again, you can use her entire leaf, and she just looks like any other clover. You can plant her in your garden as an understory. You can use her for all different things like that. She'll happily grow in your yard. She'll happily take over. But she's just really cool in between tomatoes, anywhere you want to like keep weeds down. She doesn't really get much bigger than this, and this is pretty stretchy, really. So, getting the sun right in the face because it's noon. If you like my videos, if you like meeting these plant allies, and you like hearing me rant and rave about these things, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I post more. And then make sure you like and comment, because that really helps other folks find me. And then speaking of finding me, head on over to Instagram by checking out my bio here, and then find my website and come learn more about me and hang out. So remember, you're smart enough to do this. You can get out here. These plants are just waiting for you to come and find them. Okay? I'll see you next time. Bye.